How exciting! My new Arm Morello board has arrived. This is digital security by design, and I'm about to open the parcel. So I'm cutting into the tape and round the delivery note. And in a minute, I'll be able to open the box and see what's inside. The box is opening now. Oh, and the first thing I can see is my Morello Getting Started guide, which has lots of websites and lots of detailed information. But underneath that is a box with lots of cables. I can see a power cable, an Ethernet cable, and another box with lots of screws. There's some SATA leads, USB, HDMI, Ethernet and power. And underneath that, in an ATX case, is my Morello system. Let's see if we can take it out of its polystyrene wrappers. And here is the case itself. How exciting! Look at this. I'm going to open it up. By breaking this seal, you agree to the terms and conditions, it says, of supply for the Morello ARM S1 system development platform. Check out arm.com/Morello-terms. I'm breaking the seal. I'm going in. And here it is. Our Morello DSbD system. In fact, this looks like a rack mount system rather than a ATX case. Either way, I'm sure we'll be able to get into it soon. Yay!